Good afternoon. I'm Manojika Jayasinha and here I'm here to present the findings of our systematic review on the economic burden of leptospirosis. This is the outline of my presentation and let's move to the introduction. As we are aware, leptospirosis is an infectious disease with worldwide distribution and it stands out as one of the most prevalent zoonoses in the world. Leptospirosis is caused by bacteria belong to genus Leptospira. And according to recent literature, there is an increasing trend of human leptospirosis cases globally. With this increasing trend, there is a significant economic burden also. Especially the majority of leptospirosis patients represent young adults who are the most economically active age group in a country. In each year, there is cases 1.0 trillion cases per year by 58,900 deaths, and the global productivity loss was estimated as $29.3 billion international dollars in year 2019. But with these substantial economic figures, there is a scarcity of comprehensive cost analysis. So, in this review, we are assessing the direct and indirect cost caused by leptospirosis patient. The direct costs are the expenses incurred due to illness, and the indirect costs are defined as the productivity losses due to mortality and morbidity. Moving to the study methodology, this flow chart outlines the systematic process we followed through our review. Firstly, we formulated review questions to guide our research, and then decided the exclusion and exclusion criteria. And after that, we created the comprehensive search string, and the database search was conducted and CSV files were retrieved. And those were uploaded to client software where we performed the deduplication. After that, title abstract screening as well as full text screening was conducted by two independent reviewers. After that, we selected the articles according to our criteria and data extraction was performed. Then quality assurance was conducted using MMAT, and finally data was analyzed. We will dig deep into methodology in following slides. This is about research review questions. The first one was, what is the magnitude of the direct and indirect cost incurred by leptospirosis patients? Second one is, what are the aspects of direct indirect cost incurred by leptospirosis patients? We have conducted our research across 7 databases, namely PubMed, Scopus, Web of Science, CIMAL, and Cochrane Library. Represent the medical literature, and the concept and ideas will represent the economic-based research. This is about inclusion and exclusion criteria we follow. Original economic studies, those peer-reviewed and published English were included in our review, and the investigations involving non-human subjects, unavailable full text articles, and the lay literature were excluded from our review. When we talk about our search string, the keywords were mainly categorized on 2 key themes. Disease-related theme, keywords such as leptospirosis, leptospira, rare disease, and keywords related to economic burden, economic, financial, and cost. After identifying all the keywords, we combine those keywords with Boolean operators O1 and create this search string. This is a sample search string. We customize this search string for each database for optimize the search. Moving on to data extraction, we extracted data related to main 5 categories. General study characteristics such as title of the study, authors, study sample characteristics, study population, likewise, and methodological details such as data collection method, data collection, and finally the most important economic findings of the study, direct cost as well as the cost aspects faced by the leptospirosis patient, and finally summary of the study findings. This is about data analysis. After extracting data, we aggregate those costs into direct and indirect costs, and we converted this cost into a common currency, international dollar, for easy comparison. Moving to the results, this is the SISMA flow diagram for our review. You can see here we have got 1,270 total results from search across 7 databases, and 2 articles were identified from hand search by relevant article reference list, and then deduplication from all. And there were 877 articles were retained, and those were undergone the title and abstract description. Finally, we used 19 articles for full text screening, and after that we selected only 5 articles for our review. This is about cost estimations. The selected studies were conducted in Brazil, India, Bulgaria, Jamaica, and Indonesia. When we talk about the length of hospital stay, it varies between 5.4 to 12.02, and the highest direct cost was reported in Bulgaria to 2,805, and in India shows the lowest direct cost. It was 30.7 international dollars, and the indirect cost was reported in Brazil as 61.45, and it is 30.08 international dollars in India. When we talk about the aspects of direct and indirect cost, these are the cost categories incorporated by leptospirosis patients, such as registration, medical consultation, medications, medical procedures, nursing care, instrumental diagnosis, medical supporting services. Likewise, when we discuss about the non-medical cost, it's categorized under food consumables, transportation, and accommodation. And when we move into the indirect cost, in these studies they have solely focused on absenteeism due to morbidity. This is about, according to study findings, we can conclude that there are only few comprehensive studies on both direct and indirect cost involved by leptospirosis patients, and this review highlights that there is wide variation of cost different across different settings, and while direct costs are well documented, indirect costs are mainly limited to weight loss due to